Hello, everybody. I received so many emails, messages, WhatsApp DMs about what the Merlin workshop is all about. And I just couldn't type so much out, hence decided to make this video to share with all of you what will be covered in the Merlin workshop. Now, first and foremost, understand that Merlin or Master Merlin is all about magic. Now, this workshop will not just connect you to Master Merlin, but will also connect you to the land of Avalon. The land of Avalon in mythology is considered to be a fictional place. However, if you look at Avalon from Earth perspective, it is a place of higher vibrations which can only be accessed by state of consciousness. Now, what is this workshop all about? And this is the second workshop. Okay, so the first one I gave it to very few people whom I was guided to. And the first workshop had about 10 people whom I was guided to share the modality with. And we did this workshop in the month of December 2020. And now all of a sudden I was guided to do this workshop once again. And on top of it, one of my students, she asked that when is the workshop going to be next? So I decided to make it for everyone, make it for public. So what is the workshop all about? And what is the magical dust of Avalon? Like people always ask me, Ashwini, what is this magical dust of Avalon and what are you exactly going to do in the workshop? So let me give you step-by-step overview of what it is going to be. So first we are going to learn about what is Avalon, where is Avalon, whether it is really there, whether we can really see the place or it is a fictional place. And if it's a fictional place or if it's a mythical place, how do we connect to it and what are the advantages of connecting to Avalon? If you have read a little bit, you know that Avalon was considered as a place of magic. And if you have read the Arthurian legends, Avalon holds a big place in the entire literature of Merlin. Now, the next point is if it is real. For example, when I look at Avalon, I also connect a part of Avalon to the land of Glastonbury, which is in the present day UK, United Kingdom, in the Somerset area of England. And this Glastonbury, this is a place I have had the privilege of visiting it and connecting because it is considered as the heart chakra of Mother Earth. And that place has certain vibrations which can help you tap in your inner powers. So when we are going to look at the magical dust of Avalon, of course, we're also going to talk about the physical location of Avalon and also the mythical or the mystical location of Avalon. Of course, now what is Avalon without Merlin? We all know how powerful Merlin is. And as an ascended master, Merlin can really help you tap in the magic and miracles of the universe. The very fact that you're watching this video means that you have an innate belief that magic and miracles are possible for everyone. Because if it wouldn't be, you wouldn't have watched this video till here. You would have just said, "Oh, I really don't want to watch this video. What nonsense is she talking about?" But the fact that you are still watching it, which means there is an innate belief in you that you believe in magic and miracles, and you want to connect to it. So we are going to learn about Master Merlin. We are going to learn about who is Merlin, how can he help you to connect to your inner powers, your inner energy, and how can he help you with everything. Next, what we are going to learn is, we'll go a little bit about Merlin and we'll learn a little bit about Merlin. However, the main part of this modality is connecting to the 13 Knights of the Round Table. Now, if you again read about Arthur, I remember when I was a child, me and my sister, we used to read a lot about King Arthur and the legend, and we always connected to those energies. So what is going to be about the 13 Knights of the Round Table? In 13 Knights of the Round Table, in this section, we are going to learn about your 13 spiritual guides. Okay, we all have spiritual guides, but there are primary 13 spiritual guides, and they form our spiritual, your entire spiritual team. So when I say my guides, I am referring to the 13 Knights of the Round Table of my own soul. Of course, then we are going to learn about 13 different symbols. Each symbol takes you deeper into magic. and each symbol will have something to share about, something to learn about, and something related to magic. And finally, after we learn all of this, we will learn a little bit of basics of what really magic is and how is magic connected to energy and how can we actually tap into magic. Secondly, um, all the misinformation you have about magic, because in ancient days when people had magic, they were killed, they were persecuted, and if you are someone who connects to any kind of energy healing, any kind of modality, perhaps in one of your past lives you were persecuted, you were killed, or you were punished for having magical abilities. But right now when we are looking at energy, and what is magic? Magic is a science which our human brain cannot comprehend. So there are some things which are beyond our human brain's limits, and that is exactly what magic talks about. Magic is not black magic, because many people, when they hear the word magic, they say black magic. See, everything has a dark and a white side. So if you are using energy for betterment of the world, for making people feel better, heal better, for them to live a much powerful life, you are definitely helping people with the beauty of it. And that is exactly what magic is all about. We are going to learn all about that. Then we are also going to learn about different places where you can connect to in order to tap into that magic. And finally, we will have question answer round. What is most important part of um, this particular modality is, it is, this is the only modality which connects us to our inner power, which connects us to our own magic within us. About the origins of this modality, this modality is original, which means it was channeled by me sometime in 2019. And at that point of time, I received 13 symbols from Master Merlin. And then I was guided to work on the modality and share it with people. Now, we will be having different workshops at different points of time. If you're watching this and if you're guided, please connect to me. The workshop will happen at some point of time. And typically, I have this workshop every 4 months. So the first one was in December, the second one is in the month of April, and so on and on and on. And this is all going to be the modality. Now you'll ask me, what is in it for me? Like, why should I learn this modality and who should learn this modality? First and foremost, if you're guided to learn about King Arthur, about Merlin, about your own spiritual team, your own spirit guides, this is for you. If you're interested in using the tools and modality for your own betterment and also to heal others, you can choose this course. Also, if you have a very beautiful connection with Merlin and if you wish to take it further, because I learned about Merlin from 3 different teachers, actually 4 different teachers at different points of time in my life. However, this modality, when I channeled it from Master Merlin, it was totally different than what I learned. But I always feel that Master Merlin only connects to you when you are ready. So if you feel guided, if you are ready, choose this. How will it benefit you? I always say that every modality can benefit you if you use it. And if you just learn it and keep it aside, it will not benefit you. So definitely it is magical, but only if you use it in your day-to-day life and if you start using it for your betterment. So that's about this modality. There is so much to talk on, but I won't be able to talk about all of this on this little video. There will be more detailed studies which will happen in the class when you join. So I look forward to see all of you. Connect to me or write an email to me on ashwini.chube@unicorninsight.com to enroll. And you could also, if you are my existing student and you're watching this video on my subscribed YouTube channel, you could connect to me and enroll yourself for the modality. Of course, it's a paid course. It will take place on Google Meet as of now till the time the world is still social distancing. Of course, at some point in time in the future, we will do it. We will be doing this course in person, but I don't think that will happen in the next 6 months. But for now, the course is on Google Meet. It will be a full day course, and I'm sure it will be an enriching and empowering experience for you all. And I always say that in every course, in every class, I always learn something, even from my student. So I hope to share this beautiful knowledge with you, and I hope also to learn your experiences from you. This is Ashwini Chube, and to know more about this course, Magical Dust of Avalon, rather to enroll for this course, because this is everything which I can share about the course, please get in touch with me. I'm sending you lots of love, magic, and miracles to your way. This is Ashwini Chube, www.unicorninsight.com. Thank you very much.